Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hey, so we've got some Yakisoba today. This came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and get yourself a discount with the coupon code The Ramen Raider. This is Sapporo Ichiban garlic butter Shio Yakisoba. I'm kind of like, I don't know. And it says it only takes 2 minutes to cook. We'll do it in this today. I'm going to see how this works out. Ooh, I think it's going to work out well. Alright. Give it a quick flip. And come on, flip over, flip over. Oh, yeah, maybe I need to use more water. I thought this might work out well, but I think I could just kind of tease it out a little bit. Tease the noodle, as it were. So yeah, today is picture day for the youngsters in the house. Hey, and they're pretty excited. Mimi was like, I want to wear this and this and this, and I want to wear this way. It's like, hey, cool, you know what you want to do. You ought to do it. So she's all ready to go. Miles is going to wear his charming Cheez-It shirt. And yeah. So he's got spring picture day. I think it's just a racket, honestly, that part for the photography company. They make it kind of crazy. They want you to spend like $200 on pictures and $40 on magnets and all this stuff. And I think the idea is like, you know, they have so many like fundraiser things for schools that are just like, you know, the school is maybe getting 20% if they're lucky of the profits from it. So it's like, whenever they do one, instead of like ordering something that we really don't want, like wrapping paper that's overpriced, or what do they call them? Butter braids, or the candy bars and just all that junk, we just send a check. Like, here's $20 for the school, like a donation to the school. Because it's like, for them to get $20, you'd probably have to buy like $200 worth of junk. Maybe, I don't know, but it seems like more effective just to go, here you go, school, here's this stuff. But when I was a kid, they didn't even have that. You know what they had? They had like fundraisers for charity, like the MS Readathon and all that kind of stuff. And it was like, you know, now schools are broke. So I guess my generation has done very poorly in making it well. I don't know. It's gotta be my generation. Okay, so our noodle is drained. Back. Put it in this sucker. Now we are going to add the various goos and stuffings, stirred up, and give it a go. Yeah, garlic butter shoyu yakisoba. I gotta say, I'm not feeling all that stoked on this one. But yeah. Although I will say, I had a tartar sauce one once. That was... I'm not getting a lot of scent off of these. Maybe it doesn't have one. Maybe it's COVID. I don't know. That's the big news right now. You don't have to wear a mask on an airplane if you don't want to. And I was talking to my brother yesterday. I'm like, did you hear about this? He's like, yeah. He lives in Israel, and that's all their stuff is ending, like, I think like next week or something, for masks. But it's like, what's the point now? If people are gonna wear a mask, if they need to, you know, if they if they decide they agree with the idea that scientists might know something and say that it's going to be safer to wear a mask in certain situations, like, oh, I don't know, on an airplane where they circulate the air and it already stinks. I think the first thing I noticed when I started taking off my mask was, man, why everything smells so bad? Like everywhere. It's like, God. That alone made me want to keep my mask on. But honestly, when I go to the grocery store, when I go out, generally I don't wear a mask currently. A lot of people say, "Well, you already had COVID." It's like, that doesn't mean jack. But anyways, enough about that nasty, horrible pandemic. Cheers. Really? Fluffy noodle, 2 minutes. Definitely tastes like garlic butter. And I will say, better than expected. Very boring looking though. I'll leave it at that. It does not titillate or fascinate in any way, shape, or form. It's just like, it looks like a kind of dull plate of noodles. Well, you'll see the plate of noodles. About. There you go. Yeah, I don't like it when stuff comes out looking this way. It just kind of. Why can't I get this thing lined up perfect? That should be like really good right there, shouldn't it? Well, I guess not. Anyways, what are we gonna do to this sucker? Let's spread you out a little bit. Let's beautify, shall we? Do I? Oh, I don't have any chashu. Oh my. I agree, Miles. I thoroughly agree. Okay, let's go visit. Hey now, let's not get too worked up before school time, sir. Come on, let go. There you go. Little egg nest. Stop your chattering, you little guinea pig. Alright, so I've used all 3 of the eggs that I made yesterday. Garlic butter garlic butter shoyu. Or Shio. Shio. I think crushed red pepper might work the best on here. Oh, I got one last thawed piece of this. But yeah, should be an interesting day. I always like seeing how my kids' pictures come out, and I think they're going to come out really good. They're good-looking kids. I'm not simply saying that from a parental point of view, but it's true. I'll let you gaze upon their visage in a moment. Our magical, wonderful children, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Hey, the kids! Miles, go get Mimi. Miles and Mimi. Here, we'll let them do the outro. How you doing? You want to say hi to the nice people? In a minute? In a minute? Go get Mimi. Tell her to come in here.
Mimi, come in here.
Come on, you want to see how nice people put your tablets down? Wait. Getting you ready. Getting you all set up for your shot.
No shot.
No, not a shot, but like for the video. Come on. All right. Hello, nice people.
Hello to the nice people.
No, you can't have chocolate in the morning. Come over here. They can't see you over there. No. Come over here, dude. Go over here. There you go. Thank you. Say hi to the nice people.
Hi, nice people.
Say happy picture day.
Happy picture day.
All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Eater, and this has been
Me.
And this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Eating every day.
Have a good one.